multi-talented. Pero hindi talaga nawawala ang kanyang freshness. We got the global drag superstar and Filipino winner, Marina Summers! Bumati ka naman sa Badlang People, Marina.
What's up, Badlang People?
Marina! Sobrang husay!
Tama ba to,
Sobrang
Marina?
talented.
Tama ba?
Yeah! You have a new song? Ano ba ang inspirasyon dyan sa iyong bagong awitin na Bob? Bob?
Kaya ba? Actually, nagmaganda lang po ako sa kanta na to.
Oo.
The sound has to match the visuals. Ika.
Yeah.
Charot. So,
True.
Step
as a proud trans woman, I wanted to create an anthem for all the trans Eababs out there.
Eya pa.
Yes, ang ganda ng pagkakasulat, ang ganda ng vibe. Kaya naman, we are so proud sa patuloy mong pag-ukit ng kasaysayan sa Pilipinas and of course, sa international scene. Congrats! Ano pa ba ang mga goals mo for 2026 na gusto mo ma-achieve?
Honestly, more than all the glitz and glamour, I really wanted to be more confident with myself, diba? Talagang live my life fully as a woman this year. At ayun, mas gumanda pa lalo, diba?
Born for the stage, born for
beautiful.
drag.
Yes.
And born to make music. Talagang you're creating so much music.
Yes, I really wanted to create more music. We have more music coming up very, very soon and an amazing collection of summer anthems for you guys.
Yeah, Marina Summers with her summer music. Syempre, para doon sa hindi nakakalam, she's the first Drag Race PH alumna to compete sa RuPaul's Drag Race UK versus the World. Kaya naman talaga, you are born for the stage shopping nga ni RuPaul mismo. First Filipino drag artist to walk the red carpet sa Cannes Film Festival, and she performed sa Miss Universe Philippines 2024.
Yeah. Grabe, muli ka na naman gagawa ng her story. Paano naman paghahandaan ang pag-host ng coronation ng Miss Universe Philippines 2026?
Yes, again, as a proud trans woman, I am the first trans woman to host Miss Universe Philippines this year, and I'm so happy to share this stage with all the amazing candidates representing the beauty of Filipinas here in our country. So I'm really excited. Pumunta talaga ako sa Showtime para magpabasbas. Kasi before yung RuPaul's Drag Race UK versus the World, nag-perform muna ako dito bago ako nag-tour abroad. So
Swerte pala doon.
Showtime, as
Love
in.
it.
Parang yung mga Miss Universe candidates na kailangan mag-guest muna sa Showtime or ma-interview na muna ni Meme Vina.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Very ganon.
Thank you!
Congratulations on all your success, Ate Marina.